Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will be discussing why credit union credit cards may be considered better than others. Credit unions are unique financial institutions that are not for profit and are owned by their members. This means they can offer lower interest rates, fewer fees, and better rewards programs than traditional banks. In this video, we will explore the benefits of credit union credit cards in more detail, including how they can help you save money and improve your financial well-being. We'll also take a look at some of the key features of credit union credit cards, such as their personalized service and customer-centric approach. Whether you're new to credit union credit cards or considering making the switch, this video will provide you with valuable insights and information to help you make an informed decision. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of credit union credit cards. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos on personal finance and other topics. Credit union credit cards may be considered better than others for several reasons. Credit unions are not-for-profit organizations, which means they may offer lower interest rates on credit cards compared to for-profit banks. Unlike for-profit banks, credit unions are exempt from federal income taxes. This means they have more resources to offer competitive rates and fees to their members. In addition, credit unions are typically smaller than for-profit banks, which means they have lower overhead costs and can pass those savings on to their members. Another reason credit unions may offer lower interest rates on credit cards is that they tend to have a more conservative lending approach. They typically have stricter underwriting standards and are more selective about who they lend money to. This reduces their risk and allows them to offer lower interest rates to their members. Credit unions also tend to have a closer relationship with their members than for-profit banks. They understand their members' financial needs and are more willing to work with them to find a solution that meets their needs. This results in more personalized service and better rates and terms for their members. They may have fewer fees associated with their credit cards, such as annual fees, balance transfer fees, and late fees. One reason why credit unions may have fewer fees associated with their credit cards is that they tend to have a more straightforward fee structure. Unlike for-profit banks, which may have a complex fee structure with hidden fees, credit unions tend to have more transparent and easy-to-understand fees. Credit unions may also have fewer fees associated with their credit cards because they are exempt from some of the fees and regulations that for-profit banks are subject to. For example, credit unions are not subject to the interchange fees that for-profit banks pay to card networks for processing transactions. Credit unions may also have a more customer-centric approach to fee structures. They understand that their members are looking for a straightforward and transparent fee structure that won't surprise them with unexpected charges. As a result, credit unions tend to keep their fees low and straightforward to build trust and loyalty with their members. Credit unions may offer better rewards programs for their credit cards, such as cashback or rewards points, which can be redeemed for travel, merchandise, or other benefits. Additionally, credit unions may have more freedom in creating rewards programs that satisfy the requirements of their members. They can concentrate only on delivering value to their members because they are not obligated to shareholders or investors. This may lead to more distinctive rewards programs that provide special perks and benefits. Compared to for-profit banks, credit unions might have a closer relationship with their members. As a result, they are better able to comprehend the financial requirements of their members and adjust their rewards policies accordingly. For instance, a credit union might provide reward points for regular expenditures like gas, groceries, and dining, since these are more in line with the spending preferences of their members. They often have a more personal approach to customer service, which means they may be more willing to work with you to find a credit card that meets your needs. Credit unions are member-owned, which means they are accountable to their members rather than shareholders. This can lead to a more customer-centric approach to credit card services. A customer-centric approach to credit card services means that all choices and interactions are made with the customer's needs and preferences in mind. This strategy focuses on establishing enduring relationships with clients by providing them with high-quality, individualized services that cater to their unique needs and preferences. A customer-centric strategy increases the likelihood that credit card companies will provide services that fit customers' needs and preferences. When a provider takes the time to learn about its clients' needs and offers services that satisfy those needs, clients are more likely to feel satisfied and devoted to it. It's important to note that not all credit unions offer the same benefits and features, so it's essential to research and compare credit cards from different credit unions before making a decision. Interest rates on credit cards are variable among credit unions. Finding the credit union with the lowest interest rate through comparison shopping and research can ultimately save you money. Credit unions may have different fee schedules, and credit card fees can add up quickly. You can find the credit card with the lowest fees or a fee structure that best suits your spending habits by comparing credit cards from various credit unions. Numerous credit cards have rewards programs, but the rewards provided by different credit unions can be very different. You can find the credit card with the best rewards program for your needs and spending patterns by doing some research and comparing different credit cards. On their credit cards, various credit unions may offer varying credit limits. You can find a credit card with a credit limit that satisfies your requirements by comparing credit cards. When selecting a credit card, customer service is a crucial factor to take into account. You can learn how well regarded their customer service is by investigating credit unions and reading member testimonials. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date with my latest videos. And feel free to share your thoughts and feedback in the comments section. I value your input and look forward to hearing from you. Once again, thank you for clicking on my video and being a part of this community. Let's learn, grow, and build something together.